In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add views to your projects in Clickup. Customizing views is a powerful way to organize your tasks, get different perspectives on your projects, and make sure your workflow is efficient and easy to follow. First, open your preferred web browser and go to clickup.com. Once the page loads, click the login button. You'll see a few options to sign in, but for this tutorial, we'll use sign in with Google, which is convenient if your Google account is linked to Clickup. After clicking sign in with Google, select the account connected to your Clickup workspace. This step ensures that Clickup can access your account information, streamlining your login and keeping your workflow smooth. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your workspace dashboard. Next, locate the folder that contains the project you want to add views to. If you have multiple folders, make sure you select the correct one to avoid confusion. Clicking on the folder will open the projects inside it, allowing you to focus on the one you want to work with. Now, find the View button at the top of the project page. This button allows you to change how your tasks are displayed. Clicking it will show several view options, such as List View, Board View, Calendar View, or even Gantt charts. Depending on your plan and permissions, each view gives you a different perspective on your project, helping you manage your tasks more effectively. After opening the View menu, decide what you want to include. You can add additional task fields, create new task lists, or apply filters to organize your data. Think about what will make managing your project easier for you and your team, then select the appropriate options. By customizing views, you can improve productivity, keep your projects organized, and ensure everyone on your team sees the same information. Different perspectives make it easier to track progress, prioritize tasks, and stay on top of deadlines. And there you have it. Adding views in Clickup is simple, but it can make a big difference in how you manage your projects. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.